This game is so underrated. Welcome to Ghost Recon Breakpoint. I am playing an immersive mode, with a mix of settings and some hub detail. The weapons I am using today are the G36E assault rifle and the G28 marksman rifle. Gadgets such as the use of drones provide a real sense of modern tactical experience. You can play stealth or go in guns blazing. There are plenty of loot, gun and item crates on the map. The item wheel can be customized at the load screen. In immersive mode you can pick up and swap weapons. The weapon shots as they hit the target add a real sense of realism. The gun handling feels sweet. The option to switch to shoulder sight by pressing the Alt key is a nice feature. The AI enemies show a reasonable sense of battle integrity. The difficulty for the AI can be adjusted in the settings menu.
Stay sharp. We got bad guys in the area. Ah! They can't hide forever. We're not alone.
The effects for explosions look and sound good. I am playing story mode in this video presentation, just following the missions. As depicted in this segment, it can soon turn to rat shit. Enemies can appear to surround your position pretty quickly, and you wished you had played a more stealthy role. As well as enemy AI soldiers, there are pesky AI drones to deal with. Some drones are airborne and can give away your position.
You're all mine. Keep your focus, men.
In this final segment, it can be seen the use of melee weapons is awesome. Why not get yourself a copy of Ghost Recon Breakpoint? Great flexible game with awesome maps and gameplay graphics. You will not regret it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content.